Hello, welcome again to this tutorial where we'll learn about the Mac terminal basics. Remember, the purpose of this course is not for you to cram all these text commands, but for you to be comfortable in your understanding of text commands and graphical user interface operations. So in this tutorial series, I'm going to use the terminal because I'm using a MacBook, but you can follow through using what is it called, Windows PC command prompt as well. So the first thing we are going to learn is how to open a terminal, and I already passed through that in a previous tutorial. You just navigate to any folder structure, not necessarily the same one as mine. Just go to any folder and then right click, open in terminal, or there is a simpler way in Windows where on the top here you can just click on it and then type cmd and then click enter. It will pop up the command prompt. So I've already opened the terminal for us. It's here, and the first command we are going to learn under terminal basics is print working directory, which is pwd. This is same as dir in Windows, so it's basically going to show us where we are. It shows us we're in Git and GitHub, which is the name of the folder here, Git and GitHub. It just shows us where we are currently in the folder structure, because I raised the terminal from this point, so it's going to give us where we are as Git and GitHub. The second command is list. Actually I made a mistake. List is what dir is in Windows, so it's basically lists all the files and folders that are in this location where we are. So if I type in ls, that means list, and click enter, it's images, introduction, recordings and video output, which is the same as images, introduction, recordings and video output. It just shows us what is there. In Windows, just type in dir. The next command is changing directory. If I want to change directory into the images folder, I can type in cd and then type in images, then click enter. It has shifted from Git and GitHub to images. If you want to clarify on that, just type in pwd, print working directory. It shows us we're in the images folder. Okay. To move a level up, we are going to type cd ... and it's going to move out of the images folder back to Git and GitHub. I want to navigate back to images. I want to show you the use of the tab character, so I can type in I and then click tab. It's not showing me anything because it's if I type in I and tab, you see it's case sensitive. Terminal is case sensitive because images starts with capital I, as you can see here. So it shows us all the folders that start with the letter I. Now I can see what it is, and then just complete the typing. Then it will send me into the images folder. If I want to check if it's truly the images folder, I can list the files that are inside it. I see there is a Git logo. Let me see into the images folder. There's a Git logo. Yeah, see, so it has actually led us into the folder and shown us the files. To navigate up one level, cd up dot, it will navigate up. Whenever your screen becomes cluttered with items, we can use the clear command. In Windows, that is called cls, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, so clear, it just clears the screen for you and deletes prior commands. If I want to access prior commands that I've used, I can use the up arrow key. That's on the right side of your keyboard. I want to access the ls. As example, I've already typed in, so I've just pressed the up arrow key severally until I get to the ls, and then just press enter. You can play around with that up and down until you get what you're looking for, the previous command that you ran. So that's it for terminal basics. This is the MacBook. You can use the same commands in Windows. ls is dir in Windows. Thank you, and see you in the next tutorial.